wealth is vanishing fast. Seize it before it's gone forever.
Do you feel like success has been avoiding you? Do you feel like it's been evading you? Do you feel like it's been running from you? Do you think it's been like trying to make sure everybody else can have it, but not you? Well, I've got news for you. Success isn't hiding from you, you're hiding from it. Success isn't running from you, you're running from it. And if you'll stop being scared of success, your life will change.
Ever puzzled over why some amass fortunes while others flounder in a sea of debt? The answer hides in the strategies they master, the lessons that set them apart. This deep dive into wealth building unveils principles that have lifted millions from the daily grind, securing lasting financial independence and turning bold visions into tangible cash flow. From decoding assets versus liabilities to harnessing tax perks and building income systems, by the end of this journey, you'll grasp actionable steps to kickstart your financial ascent today. The clock's ticking. Those who take action now rewrite their futures, while the rest watch wealth slip away. A core lesson cuts through the noise. Understanding the difference between assets and liabilities is your wealth foundation. Assets pump money into your pocket. Rental properties generating steady rent. Stock portfolios appreciating over the years. Businesses humming with profit, or creative ventures like patents yielding royalties. Liabilities, conversely, drain your funds. Mortgages eating your paycheck. Car loans piling up interest. Credit card debt spiraling out of control. Or flashy gadgets bought on credit that lose value fast. Many mislabel a personal home as an asset, but if it's a cost sink with no income, it's a liability in disguise. The savvy focus on stacking income generators, real estate, dividend stocks, side hustles, while slashing unnecessary expenses. Take a hard look at your financial portfolio, separate your assets from liabilities with precision, and pivot your energy toward wealth building. The quicker you lay that rock-solid foundation, the faster financial freedom becomes your reality, unlocking a life of choice and security before it's too late. Here's a game changer that flips the script. Stop working for money. Make it work for you. This challenges the old habit of trading hours for paychecks, a trap that caps your potential. How do you break free? Dive into real estate.
And all these big real estate guys come together with this marketing guy, and he says, you guys have a messaging problem. He says, okay, so how do we fix this messaging problem? He says, what you have to do is you have to realize that immigrants around the world are coming to America, okay? For one thing, and it's called the American dream. No other country has the brand tied with a dream. Nobody says the Russian dream or the German dream or the Turkish dream. Everybody says the American dream. So great job to the people in the past that sold the American dream. But this marketer was brilliant. He says we have to link the American dream to a behavior. And what we have to link that behavior to is when you put the key in the door and you open it up and you become a first-time homeowner. If we can say the American dream begins with home ownership, it's game over. Everybody will link buying a house in America to live in the American dream. So guess what happens? Real estate takes.
Rental units deliver consistent monthly cash flow, a lifeline when jobs collapse. Launch a business. Craft a system that runs smoothly without you hovering, turning your ideas into profit machines. Grab dividend stocks. Let companies share their earnings with you. A steady drip of passive income. Clinging to a single salary stunts your growth, keeping you tethered to the grind. Spread your income streams wide, starting with a modest investment in a promising opportunity, and watch it compound into substantial wealth over the years. Begin with a small stake in a rental property or a stock portfolio, reinvest those early gains, and let time do the heavy lifting. Patience here pays off before the chance vanishes. Financial ignorance trips up the majority, a silent saboteur. Schools skip money management, leaving you adrift in a world of financial pitfalls. Boost your know-how. Crack open classics like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Intelligent Investor, or Think and Grow Rich to build a solid base. Tune into podcasts dissecting investing, entrepreneurship, and personal finance, soaking in expert insights. As Robert Kiyosaki teaches, it's not just about knowing, it's about doing. Take bold steps. Open a brokerage account to dip your toes into stocks, test a small investment in a side gig, or launch a modest online venture. Stay current with market shifts, attend seminars to network with pros, and take online courses to sharpen your edge. This hands-on approach arms you with the tools to make informed decisions, adapt to economic twists, and turn knowledge into profit with confidence before opportunities disappear. The rat race traps you in a relentless loop. Work, spend, repeat, never saving enough. Consumerism lures you with shiny distractions, but you can shatter that cycle. Track every dollar with ruthless precision, pinpointing where it leaks and cutting non-essential costs like unused subscriptions or impulse buys. Invest first. Set aside a chunk for savings or stocks before touching the rest, making it a non-negotiable priority. Resist lifestyle inflation. Don't upgrade your car or home with every raise, keeping your expenses lean. Discipline and a wealth mindset unshackle you, paving the way for a sustainable financial future over fleeting thrills. Start by redirecting just 10% of your income into investments and watch that habit grow into a fortress of security over decades before the rat race tightens. Kiyosaki's Cashflow Quadrant maps your income evolution. Employee, trading time for a paycheck. Self-employed, your effort for your pay. Business owner, systems earning for you. Investor, assets paying passively. The shift from the left side to the right is your ticket to financial freedom. If you're clocking in as an employee, start a side business. Sell a product online or consult in your spare time. Explore investing. Buy a few shares of a solid company or fund. These small, calculated steps spark major financial shifts over time, building a ladder out of the daily grind into a life of passive income and control before the chance slips away. Wealth demands risks, but calculated ones, not reckless gambles. Do your homework. Research investment options like real estate markets or stock trends before diving in. Lean on experienced guides. Find mentors who've navigated these waters. Start small. Test the waters with a $500 investment in a mutual fund or a fixer-upper property. Prepare for failure. Use setbacks as classrooms, analyzing what went wrong to refine your approach. Fear of loss stalls many, but seeing risks as opportunities for growth fuels bold leaps toward riches. Begin with a low-stakes real estate deal. Learn the ropes and scale up as your confidence grows. Each misstep is a lesson paving your path to prosperity before the market shifts dramatically. Pay yourself first. Prioritize savings and investing over bills. Automate transfers to investment accounts, treating it like a sacred ritual. Budget with savings as your cornerstone, adjusting spending around that commitment. Live below your means. Opt for a modest apartment over a flashy condo, ensuring funds flow into your future. This habit compounds into financial security, turning a $50 monthly investment into thousands over years, regardless of your starting salary. Start today and let that discipline build a safety net that grows with every paycheck before opportunities fade. The wealthy master tax laws to their advantage, structuring finances to minimize liability while maximizing benefits. Use business deductions. Write off travel for client meetings or equipment for your side hustle. Tap real estate perks. Claim depreciation on rental properties to lower taxable income. Leverage tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401ks to shield gains. It's not evasion, it's strategy, a legal edge the savvy exploit. The more you learn about tax codes, the more you keep reinvesting and fueling your wealth engine. Consult a tax pro to tailor these moves, turning obligations into opportunities before the tax season hits hard. Build systems for consistent income. Automate investments with recurring contributions to index funds, hire property managers for rental units, and streamline businesses with hired teams and tech. This scales your earnings without chaining you to a desk, creating true financial freedom. Start with a $100 monthly stock purchase. Let it grow and add a rental property managed by experts. Your income multiplies while your workload shrinks, a testament to smart design before the competition catches up. Your money mindset can propel you or hold you back. Embrace a growth mindset. See financial flops as chances to learn, not dead ends. Focus on solutions. Turn a bad investment into a strategy tweak. Surround yourself with supporters. Swap negative peers for those cheering your goals. Faced with a setback, dissect it, learn, and rebuild. Each stumble strengthens your financial resolve before it's too late. Wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. The most successful constantly seek knowledge and adapt. Stay sharp with financial news, market trends, and tax law updates. Invest in yourself, enroll in courses, or attend workshops. Learn from failures. Treat a lost investment as a roadmap to better choices. The financial landscape shifts. Proactivity positions you to grab emerging opportunities, turning trends into profits before they vanish completely. Action trumps knowledge. Fear, procrastination, or complacency kill progress. Start small. Open a brokerage account, craft a budget, or launch a side hustle selling crafts online. Set deadlines, aim to invest $500 in 3 months, build momentum, celebrate saving your first $100. The perfect moment is a myth. The best time is now. Take that step and let each victory fuel the next, driving you toward financial mastery before the chance slips away.
I'm always looking forward to something. I wake up every day excited. I'll go do this today. I'll go do this today. I'll go do this today. And I very much live my life in a frame of, no, I have to do this. It's very much a, I get to do this. There's another thing that a lot of people make a mistake with when I talk to them, like, I have to go to work today. Change your language. I get to go to work today. Imagine you had no job. Be worse, right? Because otherwise you wouldn't be working. So you get to go to work. I have to fix the car. At least you have a car. You get to fix your car. Most people don't got one. I have to go get the kids. You get to go get the kids because you have these beautiful children who love you. You understand? People's even their own language is wrong. The world can be framed. Maybe I'm completely crazy. Maybe I'm full of shit, like you said. Maybe I am. But the frames I've installed in my mind are all beneficial to me. So if that makes me crazy and full of shit, good. Because I can't become depressed.
Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and like this video. It helps push this content to more people who need to see it. Please subscribe to Nova Society Finance. Always remember to master your money. Don't let your money master you.